Alright guys, so what I want to do for you right now, while I'm gabbing, telling you, I'm going to put this back together. I want to demonstrate the ease of operations of the AK platform. Now, not only is it easy to shoot, it is also easy to maintain. So, what you got here, yep, that's right, it's a loaded magazine. There's nobody over there, there's nobody over there, over there. It's all good. Alright, so, here you go, assembled. Endangered. Alright, so, here we go. We're gonna disassemble, reassemble with my eyes shut. Probably not gonna be that fast, but just to show you how easy it really is. Alright, so ready? Here we go. There you go. Field stripped. Now, reassembly. This is what I have found is the tricky part, is getting that. There we go. Show you it works and it's good. That's that. Yep. That is how easy, and I am by no means well versed in the AK. Yeah, I'm fairly good with it, but I'm not, you know, a Kalashnikov master by even a long shot. Far from it, actually. But there you have it. Hopefully, it is Wednesday now. Hopefully, soon, possibly this weekend, I will get to go out and do some shooting finally. It's been a while, but that's it guys. Thanks for watching.